welcome to the Osun Osogbo Groove. I came here to visit and I thought to bring you guys along. So, come, let me show you in. Hey guys, so after turning into off the road, this is the road leading to the groove. That's what it's called, the groove. So all these ways, roads leading up to the groove, and everywhere kind of seem lonely and creepy from this place. The road is not usually busy because there's people live like not too far from the groove, and they all go through this route, I think. And there's also another entrance. This is not the only entrance. There's another one from another side, but this is the part that I passed through the first time I came here, and just thought to go through here again this time around. And so starting from here, you start seeing the appearance that you're getting close. This place is, I was here the first time I came here. I went into this area, but this area is very, very creepy and lonely. So I just told myself, no, I'm not going in there this time. And then you can start seeing the groove already. This is another entrance, I'm sure. We're heading up to the main entrance, and before the main entrance you will see the information center, and at the information center is where you meet people, and that's where the tour guides also stay. When you get here, you pay 200 naira to go in, 200 per person to go into the groove. And if you have a mobile phone or a camera that you want to take pictures with, they charge you 1,000 naira for that. So per person altogether, it's 1,200. We went as a group, it was two of us, so they only took 1,400 for both of us, so 200 per head, and then they charge for one phone to take pictures. So we pay 1,400. This is basically the outside of the main entrance. I'm showing you and the very beginning of the groove. That's the entrance. If you're going in from the main gate, you pass under this to go into the groove. But the main gate wasn't open, so we had to go through the side gate. And then this is basically the groove. And if you notice, there's one just by that gate. They said that's where only the virgin girl passed through there when it's time for the festival. And then every other person doesn't go through. The virgin girl and some other, top people go through that entrance. And then I will show you where they all come out from. They come out from this point. This point exactly is where they come out from to join the rest of the people. I didn't go into that place, so I don't know what is there. And this is the entrance to the Osun River. They said this is the entrance to the fourth palace, I think. And the lady was giving us, she was explaining to us things that were outside. She said one of the statue to the left is the one for, a fertility woman. And the one to the right is the devil. And she was saying the devil is not harmful, that the devil only works with what you have in your mind, so that's the devil. And here I just went back a bit to, get a full picture of both of them together. So the fertility woman to the right and fertility to the left, the devil to the right. And then she was explaining to us that the people that literally take care of the groove, they stay within this facility. So she was telling us that whatever we have, we could just give it to them. That's our tour guide. You know, whatever we have, we could give it to them. So we went in, and she said this point here that she's pointing to is a place where they bring people who have spiritual husbands, or who are believed to be possessed, you know, with spiritual husbands. That's where they bring them to for deliverance. And then we went up to and that point also with the red cloth is the part where they make sacrifices to the god of iron, Ogun. That's where they sacrifice.
That's the pavilion.
Yes, we went to give the ladies, you know, the people in charge, some money. And then she said, this is the pavilion. I'm sure they do a lot of activities here during the festival, because it has places where people could sit down and all that. And this is the famous Osun River. A lot of people come here to, you know, take their bath, to pray, for one thing or the other. The lady said this is like River Jordan. And so they said that people don't normally just go inside the river to shower or to pray. They just stay by the side, just like this woman is. But during the festival, you would actually see
it's just
a lot
like
of people in the river.
If
If you're curious, then you should watch out. The festival is coming up sometime next month, August 16th. That's what she said. And so that's the Osun River. This river is it cuts across a lot of places, actually. And then, so we got to, so we ended up to another part of the facility. Most of the things that you will see outside are just walkways, trees, grasses, and all of that. But trust me, there's still a lot more inside that, yes, some people like us will never get to see. And it's not that we're even that curious. I'm not even interested in whatever they do inside there. But generally outside, you just see the walkway.
Right here.
This facility is very, very, very big. It's big. And we just kept walking from one part of it to the other, one part to the other. On this road we're taking leads us to some other places, including the famous bridge and so this point that you can see right now, the lady said this is the part where they do the initiation for the far people. So she was trying to describe to us that when they're doing the initiation, they go in through their back. They don't walk face with their face, they go in with their back, and they all have seats inside. Like they have chairs inside there. Not like I saw it, but they have chairs in there where they sit. And so we headed up to the bridge. And this bridge, the said was built in 1935 and was commissioned in 1936. This is also another entrance that leads somewhere else. I didn't go in there, so I don't know what is there. And that's the bridge. It was built in 1935 and commissioned in 1936. And so the lady was explaining to us that when you climb on the bridge is suspended. It's not like it has any pillars under. So when you climb on the bridge, it starts to vibrate. And she was asking us if we wanted to go on it to feel it. And of course, that's why I came. But you have to be careful when going on the bridge, because this part that I am on exactly is very, very slant. It's slippery. So you just have to be careful and then get on top of the bridge. It wasn't vibrating at this point, but when I got into the middle of it, then I started feeling the vibrations. But the view from here is very,
I can feel
very
it.
beautiful. I asked why the water was dirty,
I
and
can
the
feel it.
lady said it's not usually like that.
I'm
It's
not
because
sure. I'm holding it.
it's rainy season.
She's not
That's why
shaking
the
it,
water
you know.
is dirty.
Wow.
It's a
The
suspended
view is
bridge.
so beautiful. It was just water
It's
and
1935.
bamboo trees and all that. So I was asking the lady what was on the other side of the bridge. She said, "You don't have any business there."
This is beautiful.
So
Very beautiful.
yes, I know I don't have any business.
Why is the water
there.
dirty?
Just left
Yeah.
and decided to stay at the point where I was to take pictures.
I want to pick.
The water from that Osun River, this is still that water. I was stood there, took pictures as much, and started heading out. And this is another part of the groove. It's outside that place that we just came out of. This is just on the road from another entrance. All these places are another entrance entirely to the whole facility. And it's this that you see outside, all this artwork are on both sides. If you go down a little bit from here, you will see where they make all of these artworks. And I was actually curious to go up here, which I did. So I went upstairs and I got to a point I started feeling scared. So I had to come back down. I was just saying at that point that I'm not sure I want to go in there to see what is there. It's so creepy around here, actually. So creepy. That was a tour of the Osun Osogbo Groove. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and would you want to come visit here anytime? I heard the festival is sometime in August 16th, 2019. So if you guys want to experience what the festival looks like, you can just take a ride down to Osogbo and have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to this channel. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.